would you want to perform PM optimization, right? Well, as a fact of life, right? Things change over time. In a manufacturing facility, who does what changes, leadership changes, leadership direction changes, work rules change, personnel skills change, right? And your maintenance, the way you execute your maintenance strategy changes based on those conditions. And in a lot of cases, the documented maintenance strategy doesn't keep up pace, and it's not aligned with that as well. So you can utilize PMO to kind of reconcile that and clean that up. PMO is also used to improve, and this is the core reasons why you're doing it or would do it, improve efficiency and effectiveness in your PM program.